Guys, this is Noob Code over here. So today we will right now we will be solving the CodeForces round 652B accurately, and afterwards I will also be solving C problem, and I might solve D too. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so let's understand the problem statement first. So what problem statement is telling us to do is, okay, so let me just explain it over here. So in one move you can choose two consecutive characters si and si plus 1. If si is 1 and si plus 1 is 0, like anywhere if there is 1 and 0, you have the option to eliminate 1 or 0. Yeah, that is important. You can eliminate either 1 or 0. You cannot eliminate both. And we need the lexicographically smallest string. And what lexicographically smallest string is? First comparing two strings, then the string whose length is less is lexicographically most smaller, and while comparing two strings of same length, then which contains 0 first, 0 ahead is less. So our goal is to have a string where 0 comes first and then 1. Okay, so let's go with this test case. Okay, so suppose I have 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1, and let's take some base cases first. If we have all zeros, then it will be zeros. If we have all ones, it will have ones. And if we have, say, 1 1 0 0, so our pattern tells us that we need 1 followed by a 0. So here we find that there is a 1 followed by 0. So if I eliminate this 1 first, then it will give me 1 0 0. And now again if I eliminate 1 from here, then I will get a string of length 2 0 0. And instead, if I eliminate 0, I will get this 1 0, where I can again eliminate 1 and get 0. So as this is lexicographically more smaller, so we will always try to make string smaller. For that we will first eliminate all zeros except 1, so that we can use that 0 to eliminate this one and this one. So 1 0 is enough to eliminate all his previous ones. Okay, so by that assumption, let's see, if we take this 0, it can eliminate this and this, right? So suppose these two positions are gone, and now we are left with a 0 over here, 3 zeros and 1 1. If there are 3 zeros and ahead there is 1, then there is no need of these two zeros, because only 1 0 can eliminate all the ones ahead of it. So these two zeros are also cancelled, and then this 0 can eliminate this 0 can eliminate this, and also it can eliminate this. So what we are left is this 0 and this 1, because there is no 0 after this one which can eliminate it, right? So this is our answer. So what we can see from here is all the ones, the last ones will never be eliminated, because there is no 0 after that, and all the ones which are all the zeros which are ahead will never be eliminated, because we need 1 and 0 to eliminate. So either 1 should come first or 0 should come at the last. So if 1 comes at the last, we cannot do it. If 0 comes at the first, we cannot do it. So main goal is our to eliminate this. First we will add this zeros into our answer and this ones into our answer. And so here this will be the first one and here it will be a 0. Okay. So now whatever here it would be, this 0 has the power to eliminate all the ones ahead of it, right? And if suppose they say here it is 1 0, so this one has the power to eliminate all zeros after it, right? But we will give this power, so 1 will delete all the zeros except the last one, because in our final answer we would want 0 instead of 1, because we need lexicographically smaller string. So what we will do is we will eliminate all ones and zeros except this 1 0. So in this test case the answer will be 000 and this 1 0 and then 1 1 1. So our answers come down to this: all first zeros ending with 1 and in between a single 0. That is our final answer. Let's see the code for this. Okay, yeah, this is a input. I have taken a character array, and then whenever a 1 comes, I am appending all the zeros until they are coming. So all first zeros are taken, and whenever a 1 comes, I am breaking the loop. So the R1 index would be a 1. Okay, and then from R1 to N, if a 0 comes, we just have to check if there is a 0 or not in between. So if there is a 0, in the answer there will be a 0, because that 0 will eat all other ones and zeros. All other ones, well, the first one, which is the Ri, because the loop will break. This loop will break only if there is a 1, right? So there will be a 1 in the start. This 1 will eat all the zeros and this zeros will eat all the ones, right? So we are left with only a single 0. And then we will append all the elements ending with 1. All the leftist, the rightmost elements ending with 1. So whenever a 0 comes, we'll break starting from the end. So all the ones are this, and this would be our output. Yeah, I will give you guys the code in the description, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video if you find this tutorial nice. Yeah, and I will be also uploading the tutorial for today's C contest in some time, maybe 20-30 minutes. Yeah, happy coding.